Bonjour, vocabulaire, la nourriture. The food. We are on the page 22 of your French book. Les légumes, les fruits et quelques aliments. The vegetables, the fruit and some other like food items. Donc nous avons like regarde, look, écoute, listen et écris, write sous les images, under the pictures, le vocabulaire basique de la nourriture, like the basic vocabulary of the food. As I told you on the grammar lesson, it's really important that you learn the French words with the article to know if it's like masculine or feminine. So we start with the first one. We have la carotte. La carotte. Alors, I know there is like trois carottes, so we should say les carottes. You're right, les carottes. We're gonna put it also in plural, but I put la, so you know it's like a feminine word because you know, like the plural, it's the same for the masculine and feminine. Donc la carotte or les carottes. The next one, I'm only gonna put the gender, no matter if there is one or several. Okay, it's gonna be easier. So we have le piment. Le piment. Donc, le piment, c'est masculin. Le piment. We have le maïs. Le maïs. Teacher, why did you put 2 points on the eye of the word maïs? A really good question. Who asked that? Oh, it's myself. Uh, what does it mean? Alors, this kind of accent, it's called tréma. Tréma. Alors, why do we use that in French? For example, last lesson we learned this word, mais. That means but. Even the month in French we write it like that, mai, like May, okay? Why? Because in French, the letter A with E or A with I, hein, we pronounce it E. Okay, for example, le lait, like the milk, faire, to do. I have two examples in my mind now, but there are many, many words that use these two letters. What else? What else? Think. Um, ah, really important one. La paix, the peace, la paix, and we don't pronounce the X. La paix. Okay? But in some words, or there are not many words that use this accent. If you see this accent, it means that the two vowels, you have to pronounce it separately. So instead of say E, you should say I. That's why we say maïs, okay, le maïs. Okay, let's continue. Le maïs. Then we have le champignon, le champignon. Alors, I'm gonna put it in plural also, this one. Why? Because usually you eat not only one champignon, you eat at least some of them. Les champignons. Donc le champignon, les champignons. And then we have l'aubergine. L'aubergine. Alors it's feminine, but it starts with a vowel. So we say, for example, une aubergine. Hein? Une aubergine, if you want to use like the indefinite articles. Or l'aubergine. Okay, then we have la tomate, la tomate, la pomme. Alors for now, like just listen and write the words, and at the end we're gonna repeat all of them. Okay, so don't worry. For now, just discover the words, write it, and then we're gonna pronounce everything. La banane. And then we have le raisin. I see another word that use AI. So I say ré. I don't say rai. No, I say ré. Le raisin. And then we have l'ananas. L'ananas. So in this case, we pronounce the S. L'ananas. La fraise, another word, but there's so many words that use I. La fraise, la fraise. Le citron, le citron. La viande, like the meat, la viande. I guess it's like beef, no? La viande de bœuf. La viande de bœuf. You can say la viande. Le gâteau. Le gâteau, like the cake. Alors, this one I'm gonna put in plural also because we always use it in plural. Les pâtes. Les pâtes. And then we have le lait. Le lait. La baguette. La baguette. Alors, la baguette or le pain. OK. Alors, la baguette, it's the shape of the bread. Okay, la baguette. Actually, you know the Chinese sticks to eat, we call also it baguette because it's that's why actually the French bread we call it baguette because it has the shape of a baguette. So the bread is masculine, le pain. La baguette, féminin. And then we have l'œuf et le lard. Alors l'œuf, yeah, it's like masculine, un œuf. Le lard, or we also use like the English word le bacon, but the French word is le lard. Then we have also le poulet. Le poulet. What is it? I think it's like la salade, hein? La salade, la glace. Ah, pardon. La glace, la soupe. La soupe. And les frites, I think you call it French fries, hein? But in France we think it comes from Belgium. And actually, the best French fries are from Belgium. Les frites. Or in the north of France also. Et finalement, la pizza. Ok, non pas la pizza, la pizza. Ends with A. Okay, write it. If you didn't write everything, put a pause on the video. And now you're gonna repeat all the words just after me. La carotte. Le piment, le maïs, le champignon, l'aubergine, la tomate, la pomme, la banane, le raisin, l'ananas, la fraise, le citron, la viande, le gâteau, les pâtes, le lait, la baguette, le pain, l'œuf, le lard, le poulet, la salade, la glace, la soupe, les frites, la pizza. Ok, très bien. And we have just one last part in this lesson. Let's read that. Moi, je suis omnivore. Je mange des légumes, des fruits, de la viande et du poisson. Je mange de tout. Et toi? Tu manges de tout ou tu es végétarien? I am omnivore. I eat vegetables, fruits, meat and fish. Je mange de tout. I eat everything. And you? Do you eat everything or are you vegetarian? So you can answer it. Je suis vegan. Je suis végétarien. Alors, vegan, féminine, you add a E at the end. Végétarien, féminine, you should add a N on the E. And the pronunciation for vegan, masculine and feminine is the same. But for vegetarian, it's gonna be different. Masculin is végétarien, like the un at the end, but feminine is like végétarienne. Ok, je suis végétarien, je suis végétarienne. Je mange de tout, I eat everything, or je suis flexitarien. Flexitarian, I have listened about it like recently, like you eat almost everything, but you try to eat less meat, less fish, less animal protein, I guess. Bah, très bien, super. La prochaine leçon, c'est les numéros de 11 à 20. The next lesson, we're gonna learn 10 more numbers. Merci beaucoup et à bientôt.